In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the main photo on Facebook Marketplace and edit the order of your photos. Perfect if you're looking to give your Marketplace listing that extra edge with a standout picture. Whether you're selling an old bike or a vintage lamp, ensuring that potential buyers are greeted with the most inviting photo is a game changer. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to Facebook. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in Facebook's URL or using the app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so with your credentials. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the main menu, usually located on the side of your screen, where you'll see the Marketplace icon. Click on it and you'll be transported to the vibrant world of Facebook Marketplace, bustling with items of all sorts and people ready to buy and sell. Now that you're in Marketplace, look for the selling option on the left side of the screen. This section is your selling hub. It shows you all the items you're currently selling. Click on it to view your listings. Next, find the listing for which you'd like to change the main photo. To do this, locate the three little dots next to your listing. They're your gateway to editing options. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Edit Listing, which allows you to change various details about your item, including the photos. Once in the edit mode, you'll notice the photo section of your listing. This is where the magic happens. The photo that appears first in this section is the one that serves as the main image for your listing. To change this, you can click and drag the photos into the desired order. This drag and drop feature is a handy way to ensure the best photo is the first one buyers see. After rearranging, ensure you double check the order to make sure everything looks good. You would want the most engaging and high quality photo to really capture potential buyers' interest at a glance. Once satisfied with the new order, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top corner of your screen, and click it to finalize your changes. This step is crucial as it saves all your adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully changed the main photo on your Facebook Marketplace listing and edited the order of your photos. By following these steps, you're well on your way to increasing the appeal of your listing and catching the eye of more potential buyers. Remember, a captivating main photo can make all the difference.